So Salman explained the very rules and principles or defenses taken against strict liability, such as mistake of law, mistake of fact, and accident. So, first one, that is mistake of law, which based on the principle ignorantia juris non exequata. So, this very meaning is that ignorance of the law, which every man is presumed to know, does not afford excuse. This rule is absolute. Three reasons are given for this rigorous principle. So, the first one is law is definite and knowable. It must be broken or it must be taken off that part. Everyone is cognizant of law, at least of that part which concerns him. So, ignorance of the law is impossible. And the second reason is the essential difficulties. Even if ignorance of the law is a fact, there would be evidential difficulties in establishing the wrongdoer's ignorance. And the third reason is common law is common sense. The common law is nothing but common sense based upon rules of natural justice. A man breaking a rule of law because he is ignored of it should know that he is breaking the rule. So, if ignorance of the law were a ground of exemption, then administration of justice would be arrested for, in almost every case, ignorance of law would be pleaded. In application of this maxim, civil law must be understood to mean a general law of the land, not private or individual rights. So, in the leading case, Cooper versus Phipps in 1867, the House of Lords held that if parties contract under a mutual mistake as to their relative and respective rights, the agreement thus made is liable to be set aside as having proceeded upon a common mistake. So, in another most important leading case, Krishnan versus Sankara, the Madras High Court held that Section 21 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 says that error of law does not vitiate a contract, which less will it annul unless there be some fraud or misrepresentation. So now we will discuss about mistake of fact, and this based on the principle ignorantia facit. Intending to do a lawful act, one does which is unlawful. So in criminal cases, the maxim as to ignorantia facit applies. When a man intending to do a lawful act does that which is unlawful, but in order to be excused, there must be only a mistake of fact and not an error in point of law. Thus, a man intending to kill a thief under circumstances which would justify him in so doing by mistake kills one of his own family member, and this is no criminal act in the sphere of civil law. Absolute or strict liability is the general rule so far as civil liability is concerned. It is general principle of law that he who intentionally or semi-intentionally interferes with the person, property, reputation, or other rightful interest of another does so at his peril. A trespasses on another's land, thinking it is his own, or defames another, thinking the story is true, or damages another's goods, is civilly liable, as these are all cases of strict liability. So, in our next video, we would like to discuss about the third one, and that is accident.